Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic statement and verbal statement. Algebraic statements. The statement add 17 to x is expressed algebraically as x plus 17. The statement 10 is added to the product of x and 5 is expressed algebraically as 5x plus 10. Converting algebraic statements to verbal statements. First, m plus 14. It is an algebraic statement. We are going to convert this into verbal statement. Here we are going to add m plus 14. It is nothing but 14 more than m. Next, x minus 6. For minus we can write as reduced or less. X minus 6 can be written as x is reduced by 6 in verbal statement. 3y. 3y is nothing but 3 into y. In verbal statement, it is product of 3 and y. Next, 5 divided by z. In verbal statement, it is 5 divided by z. Next, 2p minus 5. 2p is nothing but 2 times p. Minus, for this you can use the word less. So this can be written in verbal statement as 5 less 2 times p. Now we are going to convert verbal statement to algebraic statement. Verbal statement. X is increased by 21. In algebraic statement, it is nothing but x plus 21. 7 is taken away from a. That means it is minus. A minus 7. Twice p. Twice p is nothing but 2 times p. In algebraic statement, it is 2p. 10 divided by m. So, use the division symbol. 10 divided by m in algebraic statement. Next, the product of 7 and y is divided by 2. Product of 7 and y means 7 into y, that is nothing but 7y divided by 2. Let us see an example. If x minus 6 gives 10, then find the value of x. Here we are going to find the value of the unknown variable x. For this, let us put a tabular column. The first one, we are going to substitute any value for x randomly. The next column will be x minus 6. The third column will be result. And the fourth one, we are going to check whether we are going to get the answer 10 or not. So, for finding the value of x, you can put any number randomly. Now, I am going to put 7. So, x minus 6 is nothing but 7 minus 6. The answer is 1. We want 10. So, 7 is not the answer. Next, let me give some other value. It can be any value you can give. I am going to give 10. So, 10 minus 6 means that is equal to 4. Again, I am not getting the answer 10. So, let me pass on to some other number. If I am going to give some number 12. 12 minus 6. Again, I am going to get 6. So, let me try some other number bigger than 12. So, if I am going to put 15. 15 minus 6. That is 9. Again, I am not getting the answer as 10. So, let me try 16. 16 minus 6. That is equal to 10. Yeah, I need the answer and I got the answer. X minus 6 is equal to 10. You can try any value more than that also. But we want the answer x minus 6 gives 10. What is the number substituted there? That is 16. Therefore, the unknown number, the value of that is 16. Exercise 2.2. Fill in the blanks. The algebraic statement of f decreased by 5 is f minus 5. Decreased means minus. Next, the algebraic statement of s divided by 5 is s. Put the division sign and write the 5 in the denominator, s by 5. Next, the verbal statement of 2m minus 10 is, 2m means what? 2 times m. For minus, what you have to write? Less. Therefore, the verbal statement of 2m minus 10 is 10 less than 2 times m. Next, if A's age is n years now, 7 years ago, A's age was, so you have to minus. It is nothing but n minus 7. Next, if p minus 5 gives 12, then what is the value of p? P is nothing but 17. If you put 17 in the place of p, 17 minus 5 gives 12. Therefore, the answer for p is 17. Say true or false. 10 more 2, 3 times c is 3c plus 13. It is false because the given number is 10, but it is given as 3c plus 13. So, it is false. Next, if the cost of 10 rice bags is rupees t, then the cost of 1 rice bag is rupees t by 10. It is true. Next, the statements x divided by 3 and 3 divided by x are same. It is false because x divided by 3 means x by 3 and 3 divided by x means 3 by x. They are not same. So, it is false. The product of q and 20 is 20q. Yes, it's correct. 20q is nothing but 20 into q. So, the answer is correct. It is true. Next, 7 less 2, 7 times y is 7 minus 7y. It is false because 7 less 2, 7 times y will be equal to 7y minus 7. Express the following verbal statement to algebraic statement. First, t is added to 100. The answer is t plus 100. Next, 4 times q is nothing but 4q. Next, 8 reduced by y. This is 8 minus y. Next, 56 added to 2 times x. This is 2x plus 56. Next, 4 less 2, 9 times y. This is 9y minus 4. Express the following algebraic statement to verbal statement. X divided by 3. You can write this as x divided by 3. Next, 5n minus 12. 5n can be written as 5 times n. For minus, you are going to use less. So, 5n minus 12 can be written as 12 less 2, 5 times n. Next, 11 plus 10x. 10x can be written as 10 times x. So, 11 plus 10x is 11 added to 10 times x. 70 s. Product of 70 and s. The teacher asked two students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement 8 more than a number. Vetri wrote 8 plus x, but Maran wrote 8x. Who gave the correct answer? Let the number be x. 8x means 8 times x, but it is given that 8 more than a number. That means 8 plus x. Hence, Vetri gave the correct answer as 8 plus x. Answer the following questions. If n takes the value 3, then find the value of n plus 10. Given n is equal to 3. n plus 10 is equal to 3 plus plus 10. In the place of n, put 3. So it will be equal to 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is nothing but 13. Therefore, n plus 10 is equal to 13. If g is equal to 300, what is the value of g minus 1 and g plus 1? Given g is equal to 300. You are asked to find g minus 1. In the place of g, put 300. So g minus 1 will be equal to 300 minus 1, that is equal to 299. Next, g plus 1 will be equal to 300 plus 1, that is equal to 301. Therefore, the value of g minus 1 is equal to 299 and g plus 1 is equal to 301. What is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? For this, I will teach you two methods. You can do the sum in any method. Method 1. Given 2s minus 6 is equal to 30. Keep 2s as it is and take that minus 6 to the other side. If the minus 6 goes to other side, it will become plus 6. So, 2s will be equal to 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6 is nothing but 36. If 2s is equal to 36, then the value of 1s, that is s, is equal to 36 divided by 2. When you divide 36 by 2, the answer is 18. Therefore, the value of s is equal to 18. Method 2. For this, draw a table with 4 columns. One is value of s, the next 2s minus 6, next result, then is it 30. For value of s, you can give any numbers. For example, if I am going to give 12, 2s minus 6 is 2 into 12 minus 6, that is equal to 24 minus 6, the result is 18, but we need 30. So just write no. Next, 13. 2 into 13 minus 6, that is equal to 20. Again, no. Likewise, just you can give any number so as to get the answer 30. If I am going to give 18, 2 into 18 minus 6, that is 36 minus 6, that is equal to 30. Yes, this is the required answer. Therefore, the value of s is equal to 18.